Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. In today's video, I'm going to be letting you know what the process is for getting that Puerto Rico driver's license. So if you're coming from one of the states, you have an idea of what the process looks like, what paperwork they ask for here, and how it goes for me. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So I had a valid New York State license and I needed to get a Puerto Rico driver's license because I have been living here and I bought a car and I need to have it because of the insurance, for the car insurance. So I definitely needed a Puerto Rico driver's license. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get an application. Now that transfer that you're doing from New York or whatever state to the Puerto Rico driver's license, that is called Reciprocidad. This application is a solicitud de reciprocidad. So you have to get that application online. So you'll go to this website here and there you can print it out, fill it out, and you have that ready. I am ready to go to CESCO. Apparently there are big lines there, even though I have an appointment, but I don't know how that works, so we shall see what happens. I'll try to get some footage and see how long it takes and all the process. I do have all my paperwork ready to go, hopefully, because that's another thing. But yeah, I think I have everything, so I'm just gonna go now. So let's go. The second thing you'll need is your personal information, and this involves your social security card, and if it's messed up or laminated or something, you might have a problem, you might not. If anything, you can take your W-2 or your taxes to replace the social security card. Then you'll need your birth certificate. If you were not born here in Puerto Rico, then you'll need your passport. I am here, right on time. I don't see a line out here, so we shall see. The next thing you'll need is medical certification, and this is very simple. This is a sheet you also get online, you print it out, you take it to a medical professional, a doctor. I went to an office and they charged me $20. They didn't even look at me. They just see if you have your limbs and you're not blind and things like that. They really don't even evaluate you. So they just fill it out and I paid $20 and then that's it. Pretty simple. The next ones, you need to buy stamps, and these are called sellos. So these sellos, it depends if you're getting the real ID or not, but you need to buy 2 of them if you're not getting the real ID. 2 sellos, $16 and $2. If you're getting the real ID, is $17 and $2. So if you're getting both the transfer and the real ID, it's $37 in total. I waited to buy the stamps there because I wasn't sure if I needed to buy all 4 of them or just 2 of them. So I waited to buy them over there. Okay, so the 5th thing you'll need, I think this is the number 5, is the proof of address. So you're gonna need either an electricity bill, a water bill, or a statement from your bank. So I don't have anything under my name here, so I had to take a bank statement. So I took actually like 3 bank statements just in case they're giving me a hassle. I had 3 different banks, but they only took 1 of them, so that was fine. Now the next thing you'll need is your driving record from your state. So I looked up in Google like DMV driving record New York, and I found it right away. So I was able to log in the DMV because I have a login already, and it just showed up. It's called Abstract. So you click on Abstract, something like that, and you'll see there's 3 different driving records that you can purchase. So you gotta pay for it. And there's standard, commercial, and lifetime. So I wasn't sure which one to get. I was like, do I get the standard one? It's $7. Do I get the lifetime one? I wasn't sure, so I just bought the lifetime one. So I chose lifetime, it's $7, and that's it. I was able to print it and I got it. Apparently my old license in Puerto Rico has a ticket of $130, so it seems I have to pay that $130 now so I can get the same driver's license number. Now the next thing you'll need, I keep saying next, what else can I say? The following thing that you'll need is a drug and alcohol online course. Now don't be afraid, it's free and it's easy. So you go online, go to that website, and then you just take it. You just gotta skip through it, read if you want, listen to it. You gotta watch some videos, After each chapter, it gives you like a multiple choice, so it's kind of like a little test, but I don't think you can fail it. I didn't fail it. You just take that, it takes an hour, and it's free, and that's it. You just print out the certificate at the end, and that's it. And the last thing you'll need, this one is an easy one. You're just gonna need your driver's license from wherever you're coming from. So if you're coming from a state or a country, make sure you have it, it's valid, not expired, and they are gonna take it away from you. So make sure you take a picture of it or a photocopy just in case you need it one day. So I don't have my New York State license anymore. So sad. That is all you need, but the first thing you have to do before even getting anything ready is making an appointment through CESCO. So you go through CESCO online, you make an appointment. I made my appointment back in December 2020, and my appointment was today in March. So I had to wait a few months for my appointment. So in that meanwhile, you can get your paperwork ready. And so make sure you do your appointment first, get your paperwork ready, and then just wait your turn. I got my license. Didn't come out too well in this picture like the one in New York, but heck, can't complain. It's a beautiful day, not even a cloud in sight, and I got my license. And that was the process for me. I think it was pretty easy, you know, going to the doctor, filling out things here at home, the online course. And when I got there to CESCO today, it's a Saturday and it was empty, and I waited maybe like 15-20 minutes, and then they helped me, and then that took longer because, you know, they're taking your picture, your signature, your paperwork, printing out your license and all of that. So it took from getting out of the car to going back to the car an exact hour. So it took me an hour, so not bad, I would say. But there was like some miscommunications online. Like it would tell me a list of things I needed, but not everything was there. So I don't know if I was in an old, not updated website or something, but I don't know what happened, but there was some things that were not on that list that I didn't know I even needed until someone told me I needed the drug and alcohol course, and then I needed something else. Thankfully, you know, other people chimed in and told me, hey, you need this, you need that, because if not, I would have gone to my appointment today and they would have sent me home because I didn't have everything. So you got to pay attention, make sure you have everything before your appointment. The CESCO actually has this big parking here. I think they are not charging me. Today is a Saturday, which it's a miracle. They're open. I'm out. Now, since I moved to Puerto Rico, I've been focusing on making videos to help people that are coming into the island to live here or things like that. So if you are interested in those kind of things, that you are in the States and planning to move here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I help you out with informative things and even fun things like going to the beach and all that stuff. So make sure you subscribe, like this if this was helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. First thing you'll need is what the process is to getting your get the solicitud de you get the solicitud de I can't even, and then the lifestyle, and then the drug and alcohol to this website, these hairs. Get an appointment, because exactly what I can't talk.